Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today we are going to continue with Famousity, mobile version made in Godot in C# language. And let's go and check where we left the other day. Hi everyone. Okay. Okay, so last time we we were actually doing actually I can't remember. I was doing some design updates, as you can see here. This is a little bit changed, so it fits the desktop version. It might be changed in the future, but I'm sticking with it right now. And yeah, the last time we were playing with the timer. So this progress bar is decreasing as your time for your turn goes down, and also action for the end turn. So you can skip your turn if you don't have any card you should play or you want to play. Okay, and today I would like to focus on the next chapter. And the next chapter should be the actions. So as you can see, some of the cards have some actions on them. So this, for example, means cancel or block. So this basically cancels some other action like stealing or exchanging. This one is exchanging cards. So you can basically exchange card from the table with either your card or card of your opponent, so you can mess up with their combination, so they cannot get any points, or you can get some card to your advantage and get some points. So I'm going to start from the opposite direction actually. So I'm not going to do the playing of the actions. So like some so when someone plays actions, it should be indicated by some graphics or something like that in the game, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to for now I'm going to start with execution of the actions, so meaning that what should happen to the card. So if you destroy it, it should disappear. If you steal it, it should go to the other player and stuff like that. So basically with this I will achieve this is actually a step I need to do before I am going to do the next thing I wanted to do. It's to basically be able to combine my cards to get the points. So the problem right now is that you maybe noticed it last time when some bot started to combine its card. Some of the cards were took from the opponents, but they actually were not opponent's cards, they were his cards. He's got like from stealing and stuff like that. So we need to finish that before I can combine my cards. And okay, so let's stop talking and do some action. Basically today the most of the action will be done in code, so maybe not so much in the Godot and in the editor. And so that's for today. I think this should go pretty fast if I don't struggle like I sometimes do, but basically I'm not going to do anything Godot related, so it should be only logic on the up side, so it should go fast. And after that we can start with the combination of the cards, and after that we are going to focus on the actual combining or actual playing of the actions, so and have some indicators for the actions. Yeah, I will start with indicators, and then after I will start with being able to play the action myself. Okay, okay, so let's start. So I will create a new class which will handle all the actions, and this class will go to managers, and it will be called action manager. It will be class, come on, action manager, gonna close this so it's not slowing me down. Okay, this will inherit from node. And I want to make it singleton. So to make a class a singleton in Godot, you can use project settings, go to autoload, and add your class here. So this basically does the adding your node into the game when the game starts, so you don't have to do it manually. I could also do like creating a node here and adding a script there, so it would do the same thing, but I would have to somehow also be able to reference it, which I'm actually gonna need to do anyway, so it doesn't matter from this regard. But I also started with uploading the other scripts, so I will do it also for this one. Okay, so action manager will be another singleton here, and don't forget to add it here. Okay, close. So when we run the game, we can just check. We need to switch to remote, so it's actual game playing. So as you can see, you have all these managers here, and one of those is also action manager. Okay, and I'm going to go to game manager where I actually store these managers, and I will add a reference to it here, so I can reference it from anywhere in my code. Okay. Okay, now let's go to network manager, which is handling all the actions which should be performed from the server. And let's go to process round action, and the one we are interested in for now is the execute action. So we are going to action manager, we can call it execute action, so it's execute action on the player, what card it is, and what are the targets cards. So for example, well, not for example, but you are playing the you are playing some action cards to some other action to some other cards, so you have to set it here, and that's it. Let's create such method here. Player card and target cards. Okay, so this is actually action card. Action cards should have an enumeration called action, which we can use to figure out what the action is actually. So we will have this, we can use this generate. Okay, so in case of none, we do nothing. In case of destroy, what should happen in case of destroy? Basically what should happen is that the card should be destroyed, right? Yeah, I just realized that I maybe also needed to use this one, to implement this one, because when you play a card, it should disappear from hand of your player, of a player. So we also need to do that. Okay, and actually, you know what? We can start with this one actually. So it's not gonna be complete because we also need to do some interaction indicators on the screen, so you know what's going on to happen, and you can cancel it, for example, or something like that. But for now we are going to only remove the action card and not actually remove it. Player, so this will be player ID, This will be action card, and this will be target cards, I think. Okay, so I'm thinking of storing the cards here. Actually, the card is... No, I'm just trying to figure out where should I put the destroyed card, because we have some like heavy container, which is in round manager, and that's also card container. So these cards are not removed from there; they stay there. So we can do that. Okay, for now, I will keep it here, actually. So let me just actually wonder what will happen with the node when it's removed from the scene tree, but this shouldn't be a problem, I believe. So action cards. This will be our list, and play action. Let's move it up. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is to find the card manager, find card, action card, ID, and I'm going to put it in the action cards. And I'm going to remove it from its parent. So let me just check how do I do it. Reparent. We have the reparent mesh function here. Parent. Okay, I will just split this one to maybe this is not needed, because I will basically... Okay, you know what? I will do this. So the run manager has the awaits card container, but I believe this might be better to have it in card manager. So I can, yeah. So find card, remove animation, and remove card is where? Just to remove. So let's put this one. Let's put this one into the card manager, so I can reuse it from different places. Okay, and let's actually remove card from... I'm going to go with this method here. Remove card ID. I'm sorry. Int, and we can override this so it does have as well the card function, the card parameter, card, find card, remove card. And we are going to actually put it into the heavy cards container. Cards container, out card. So this will do the reprinting of the containers. Okay. Okay. Okay, and the next thing I need to do to go back to action card here. So I will store this card here anyways, so I can keep track of it. And game manager, card manager, remove card. Okay. Okay, so we also need to, actually I will do it like this. So remove card. Yeah. Play action. So let's call the method interaction. Indicator. So card. You know what? I will do it here. To do what's the word I'm looking for? Indicator. Okay. Okay, and now we can go here. So first of all, we need to find our action card. So let's go to action cards. Actually, we don't have to. Why do I need to do it? No, I don't need to do it. I can do it actually. So we did. Okay, so for the destroy, we need to get target cards 0. So this first card, which is going to be destroyed, and we are going to find it in our card manager. Find card. Card to destroy, and we are just going to remove it from our scene or from our table. So just to do remove card destroy, and we also need to do some animation later. Cancel action. Cancel action should cancel the action. And for this one, we actually don't need to do anything right now. And then we cancel. We will need to do. Okay, I don't need to do it. Actually, I will just. So cancel. Play. Cancel indicator. Exchange. Exchange should exchange the cards between the containers. So we can find 2 cards here. First card, second card. And we actually need to just exchange the containers. So for that, let me just. Actually, we can do just twice reparent here. Utils, first card. Reparent, I mean. Child and no new parent. So first card is our child to reparent, and the new one will be second card get parent. And we will need to store the first card parent as well here. First card get parent. And let's do this one for the second card. And we need to use the first card parent. First card parent. We have stored before. I need to store this one because when you do reparenting for the first card, it will change its parent. So when I call the first card get parent, it would be different. It would be actually the second card parent, so nothing would happen. So this is for the exchange. We will also need to basically remove indicator as well as remove it here. Okay. Oh, sorry. And the steel one. And the steel is so we have card to steel. Okay, and for this one we will need to find out the player table container. So I'm not sure if I do have it like public method, I'm not sure. Get player node. Okay, we don't have it like that, so play nodes. Okay, I can make this one static. It might be better to have it in a game manager, I believe. The players. Okay, I can do the refactoring later. It's not an issue right now. So get player node. This one will be public. And let's go here and game manager, round manager, get player node for player 1. And actually we just want to get the table container, and we will do also reparenting card to steel, and table container is our target container, and also remove indicator here as well. Okay. I'm thinking that this one can be map, which first one will be, oh sorry, the card, I believe, because I'm actually not using it right now, am I? So why did I wanted to store it here? I wanted to do it because I thought that I will remove these cards. So we can just remove it for now, but I actually will, yeah, I will create a map for the indicators based on the card ID. So for now this is fine. To the indicator, okay. And okay, let's test it. Yep. Okay, he's got 2, I have 2, but I don't have, no, he's got 3, no, 2. I will need, okay, I will risk it because this card is very valuable. Okay, I lost it. Okay, no chance here. This got 4. I can at least get this card on my table. I won't with the table card, but I will get this one. One, 2. 1, 2, 3. What cards do I have here? Actually, can risk this one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use this view so I can see when there are some stealing or something like that come in. And actually should watch also the locks. Okay, so actually this one is winnable. Okay, something disappeared from here. I don't know what happened, but I believe there was a steal action here. No cancel action was there. No, he received it. Still some combinations. I believe someone stole my cards, but I didn't see it properly. Execute action, yeah. Steal. Okay, what happened here? So steal should be find card, yep. Get player note, yep. And reparent. It would be better than when I would have the ability to play action, so I can test it better. So maybe that should be a next step. Can I win this card? Probably not, but I can get this on my table. I'm going to just skip. I think he played the card because it disappeared, so now it should be seeing the action. Okay, so this one disappeared, but it didn't really appear in the table container for some reason. Why is that? So, okay, yeah, I know why. No, I don't. Okay, why do I use this reparent? Because, yeah, I know why it's happening, but I'm not sure why it is like placement, utils, card container. Oops. Let me just cancel my notifications here. Okay, so basically the problem is that one of those container will relay out, but the other one doesn't. And I'm not sure. I thought they both do, but basically this is, yeah, so it's only in the card container. Okay, so yeah, what I need to do here is to, yeah, I'm doing it incorrectly. I shouldn't do the reparenting here. I should do the table container, add card here, card to steal, and remove cards. It's already doing this, and the exchange, we will need to do something. This should actually work properly because I'm reparenting the first one. It's going there, and the second one is going there, so they will reload eventually, but you know what, I'm going to do this. Script container, and let me check. First card, second card container, and now I will need to do first card container will get the second card, and second card container will get the first card. Oops, can I do this? Okay, so it doesn't crash. Okay, so that should fix the problem with the incorrect relayouting, and that's actually it for the testing of that. So this is probably done, and we can focus now on the combination of the cards, because now we are guaranteed to have them correctly on our table. So if there are any stolen card, it should be disappearing from my card, from my table. So for this, we will need to win some cards here, and in case I have, it's my turn, I should have another action here, which would invoke the, or actually I don't have to do it. I can just click on my cards. And after that I can have a combine action here. So first of all, okay, so for this to be working, I need to have like information about my state of camera, and I actually do have it, I'm not mistaken. Camera manager, I have the focus container, and the focus container can be my container. So basically what we need to do here is to go to card, where the input interaction is going on, is handled. Where is it? Is it here? I believe so. On click. Okay, so basically if we have a local player table, we need to choose from if well, I need to stop this one because it's slowing down the code. So in case of game manager, camera manager, focus container equals focus container is card container, so the Wait, don't I have... This is private, I want to have it public. I'm looking for the the type of the container, and it will tell me if it's the local player table. What do you... Oh. Oh. Okay. And so in this case we will go to... Where will be the best place? Game manager. We can go to Red Manager and we can toggle combine card. Otherwise we will do the same for the... So we will actually look at the table card and break here. And after that we should calculate the... combined score. So... Okay. So we will have a list here of cards combined, cards to combine. I also need to handle the end turn, because when your turn ends, your cards to combine should be cleared. So I'm going to hook into the signal. Game manager, signal manager, connect. This target and method will be name of and signal manager and turn. Okay, we can do it here. Private void and turn. It should have view long player ID. And for this one we will need to cancel combinations. Cancel combined cards. So this will iterate over the cards to combine. I'm thinking how do I want to I want to just move them down. Because there might be some issue with the... Actually not. No, it should be okay. I'm just thinking about all the combinations which could occur, that your, for example, your turn will end, the cards should be moved down, but the card is actually stolen. But actually you shouldn't be able to combine a card that is about to be stolen. So that's the one thing we need to think about. So yeah, and for that reason I will need to actually also store, and I will need to do as well here. Okay, so we need to be able to remember which cards are to be stolen, or maybe not stolen but to be played, and we cannot combine them. So one thing is to void target, not void, long action target cards IDs list. Okay, so it will add it here, add all, add range here, and we need to remove it from here. Remove, can I remove all of those? So what this will do? Contains. Can I do this? I believe this should be working, right? So I'm removing all the elements that match the condition defined as specific array. Okay, so removing all the cards which target cards ID contains. So that's that. So when it's executing the action, we can remove it from here. In case we wouldn't remove it, it's not a issue because you cannot really do anything with the card. And I will have another method here, is action target card long card ID, and we will return action target cards contains card ID. So in this case it is action target card, and we cannot basically use it for combination. So if game manager action card is action table card, we cannot do anything, so we need to return cancel combine cards. So this should only not clear. Should clear them, and this should be Okay, I'm a little bit thinking in my head what I need to do. So basically I will twin this card a little bit up. So let me just twin, interpolate property, translation, actually not translation but the card, translation, card, translation as an initial one, and card translation plus vector up. Maybe 1.5, 0.5. So, and the time tween start. Okay, and don't forget to put it into the cards to combine. Card. Okay, and one more thing we need to do is to call the network manager. Call the network manager and request combined card score. So the combined card score is calculated on the backend, and we need to actually request it from the backend, and it will be sent. So later we can show it on in the HUD. So when we go to network manager, process around action, we should have this one here, combined card score, and for this one we go to we will go to, I'm just thinking if I should do the signal emitting here, and I actually will do it. So this will be called, so we will have a new signal here, combine score updated, and I'm not sure if we do need the player ID for now. I guess we need only the score. Okay. Emit signal around action score. Okay, and we will handle it in our HUD, so it will be shown on the screen. It will be shown on the screen. One more thing here, yeah. One more thing here. Okay, connect, signal manager, combine score updated. Or set combine score. We have a show combined score, but it's basically for the combination of of cards which are already combined. So this is a little bit different. This one is only for your cards when you are updating it, and for this one we will need another HUD element. And HUD element, so let's go to HUD, let's go to text elements, and this one will be called also label. It might also be called combined score, but it's I know, local combined score, so it's clear that it's for local player. Combine. Okay. Okay, we will set it to invisible. And actually, I will need one more thing here, which will be called height combined score. Maybe not. Okay, let's do step by step, because I'm really thinking ahead, and it's a little bit tricky because I'm like creating multiple threads in my head. Okay, so what I'm looking for. So this one will be called local combined score label. Local. Okay. Score. Text. Which will be score to string. And we will make sure that this is visible. I'm sorry. That should be it. Okay. 30. I wanted to set the proper font here, and what I want to do here is to why did it crash? I have some compilation errors which unfinished. Run manager line 20. Game manager, signal manager is not initialized yet. No, it is not. I guess this one should go to the top. So one more try. 120. Wait, so it's working in the HUD, right? Like the same way. Name of this, name of. Why is it not working here? I don't believe this is an issue, because ready is not called like when they are added to the scene. Oh, it is an issue. So game manager wasn't really initialized yet, so this was causing the issue. And instance, why do I have it? Okay, I guess. Okay, I don't think I will need this. I need this instance here. Actually, I do, in case I want to call some method from game manager directly. Okay, so player trended. Okay, yeah. So what I wanted to check is this one here. So we need to win some cards, so I have something on the table. So let's try this one. Boop. No chance here, but can try. This one might be winnable. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, I know what's going on here, but first of all, let's do this hot element here. So, alright, let's go here. Okay, I'm going to show the score above the cards, somewhere here. So it should be placed top, center top here. And the font should be bigger, for sure. So custom fonts, let's put a font here. New dynamic font. Assets. Fonts. This one. And let's make it bigger. 50. Okay, I wanted to... Okay, at least I know where I actually want to put it. So I want to put it somewhere in this area here. Here. So... Okay, so for this is fine for now, so it should be okay. Fine, we can tweak it later when needed, but for now it's the place I wanted to have it on. Okay. Yeah. So the problem with the card combinations was that I should be toggling the card, so when I click on it again, it should basically it should go. Okay, one more thing here, and it's action table target card, or it's not my turn, so I need to store the information about whose turn is it right now. For this I will need to install local player ID. current private ulong current player turn. Actually, just the turn player ID will call it like this, and we will also need to connect to another another start turn. Okay, and we also need to check if the turn player is actually the local player. So if it's my turn, so that's the only time when I can combine my cards. I cannot do it outside of my turn. Okay, and that's it, like, yeah. And no, okay. So if cards to combine contains card, then we will need to remove it. Else cards to combine, add it to card. Yep. Move, combine card, and we will use a vector as for the direction. So it will be either up or down, and it's based on the actual selection of the card. So okay, and we will move this one here, and the direction will be direction here. So now we will just move combine card. So if it contains it, it means that it's already there, so we need to move it down. So card vector down. If it's not there, we need to move it up, so up. And in case the cancel combine card will happen, this will actually, oh, maybe not. Cards to combine. So cards to combine will wait. Cards to combine for not for but for each. Cards to combine for each card, and we will move combine card up. I mean down. Okay. Private. Private here. Okay. Anything else? I think there is a small bug there, but I will check it if it's an issue. Okay, we need to try to win some cards here. No chance here. We got some. Okay, not my turn. I cannot move them. Let me wait for my turn. Okay, so first of all, it's we can move it not so much, so 0.2 should be fine. That's first thing. Okay, the animation could be faster, I guess. And this one could go a little bit down as well. So let's move it down a bit. Okay. Okay, and what do we need to do here? Okay, so as you could see, the cards were properly put down in case my turn ended. But what I also want to do here is to move it down when I switch back. So for this I will implement another signal, which will be triggered when the camera view is resetted to default. So let's go to Signal Manager. We will use this signal also in HUD for this for hiding the combined score. So camera view reseated. Is this a word? I don't think so. Camera. Do you have any suggestion here? Okay, never mind. And let's go to Camera Manager and let's go to Reset View. So I'm already going the HUD from here, but maybe I should do also the signal for other stuff. I can maybe remove this one. Signal Manager. Wait, it's emit signal. No, Signal Manager, emit signal. Actually, Game Manager, Signal Manager, emit signal. Name of signal is Signal Manager. Camera view reset, and that's it. And let's go to HUD and connect to another one. Camera view reset. Camera view reset. Actually, we already have this method here, so I might not be. It might be not needed to use it here, but you can call it from other places, I guess. The only usage is here. Oh, you know what? Let's just do this because it might be resetted by the admin, so it's better to have it here. So private camera view void, and we will need to not hide, but reset camera button, visible false, set reset camera. Actually, yeah, you know what I'm going to do. No, I cannot. False, and Why am I here? Okay, yeah, I know, because of the local label, which should be visible false. Also, this should be also visible made visible false when the turn ended. Enter button, local one, okay. Okay, and one more thing will be needed here, and that's combine button. And we will so combine score updated, set combine score. If score is bigger than 0, we will show the combine cards button, which we don't have right now, but we will do. So, and we need to set it visible false here, and also here. Not here. Here. Okay, and this combine cards button will be another node, which we'll add in a second. Combine cards. Texture button. This one, okay. And initialize input. So I'm going to initialize input here for pressed and combine cards pressed. On combined cards pressed. And actually we need to find out which cards have been pressed here. So we need to go to road manager actually here, from here. Game manager, run manager, combine cards. Combine local cards. Local combine cards. Because this is the place where you have information about what cards should be combined. So we will just call network manager, combine cards, and we will put this one into the, and I guess we can clear it. Or maybe we can check if there is something in here. Length bigger than 0. Okay. That's actually it. No, it's not. We need to add a button here. So let's duplicate this and turn button. We call it combine cards. Combine. And the placement should be What? Should be about the end turn combination. End turn button. Yep, okay. Okay, and we need to change the texture or the picture, which is done. Textures here. Do I have it? Actions, environment hut, combine. Okay, it should be this one. Now, let's make it not visible at the start. So yeah, we need to make it visible. Actually, I'm already making it visible. Okay. Maybe the combine score should be next to the button, probably. No, okay, so let's try to win some cards here. Oh, it's already visible, because I set it to visible when the... Okay, let me cancel it. Camera manager, let's go to hot. I set it to visible when the view was reset, so we need to do it false here. Now it's going to be okay. It should be winnable. Yep. Actually, I do have some goals here. So I should already be getting some points from this one. Why is the score not visible? Am I not setting it? Okay, so as you can see, it works correctly, so I got 10 points for that. But I'm not sure why the... Oh, I know why. I have hidden the text elements here. So... Okay, but I can see another bug there, I believe. Because when I removed it... Okay, I know why. Yeah, it's not a bug, but when I do for hot. So here I'm setting it when score is bigger, but I actually want to set it also when the score is 0, so it's visible only when the score is bigger than 0. So yeah. And now it shouldn't be visible. Okay, perfect. No chance here. So he's got 3. I don't have 3. This one, and this one are on the both cards here. So there is no chance to win anything here, unfortunately. And he's got 2 strong cards here, because these are very rare, like from the ancient and from this medieval period. Okay, I can win this card for using this one. Cool. Oops. Oh, he's got only one? No, he's got 2. He's winning it. Okay, there was some bug there. Okay, he's combined. I can do combination of those 2. Yeah, so this doesn't really seem to be on the correct place. But either if I put it here, it's not like the good spot for it. I can combine it. Okay. Yep. Can I win it? She's got 3. No way. Oops. I should be able, maybe. Oh, she's got 2. And I don't have the one with 2 symbols on it. What card do you have here? Okay, so I can win this card and this card if I put this one here, but I can only win this card if I put it here after her. But okay, so there is a bug here when I one more bug here. Okay, I'm not going to solve the bugs right now. I can do it on stream because I don't want to waste time like finding it why it's happening, because I'm not really sure. So when it's my turn and I click on the card, it's already I wonder why, because oh, I know why. Because you click on the table container, and if table container doesn't register that it's dragging, it's pushing it to the next card. But anyways, the card is doing the transformation for the home. I actually don't understand. Maybe there are 2. It's not only card clicked. Okay, no, never mind. I figure it out later. Anyways, everything seems to be working like I want it to work. I cannot combine anything here, right? Yeah, I made a slight improvement, so when I'm not really dragging just a little bit, it should take it as a clicking card. Because now if I drag it even a little bit, it's not registering for the clicking. He's got 3, I have 3, I can win this card anyways. I believe so, yeah. Okay, so do we have anything here? Okay, I would have the combination of a single card from each period if I had this one as well, industrial one. So let me try to win it. Actually, we can win this card, can we? No. It's got free. Okay. I will try to win this one. He's got 30 points for that. Maybe actually. Oh no, he's won it. No, he didn't. But someone stole my card. Oh my god. He stole my golden card from the antique. Oh yeah, there is this bug as well. Need to figure. Oh, yeah, actually, this is the one I was trying to fix the other day. Yeah, I didn't figure out the solution yet, so. Okay, can we make some combinations here? Can combine those two people and these three women. Oh no, they are not from the same one. Okay, let's just do this combination. And he's got two, so I can try to. Okay, nothing here. Not really. Okay. Okay, we have no more cards from in the deck, so the game should finish soon, I believe. Okay, I have nothing here. He's got another one. Okay, two more cards in the deck. Really? Nothing? Okay. The last one. The same one as before. Cannot win it. It's gonna add 5 points. And that's all. Another 5. She's got nothing, and that's when the game ended. So we need to handle final screen as well. Okay. Yeah, so basically today we managed to do the executing of the actions and also combination of my cards on the table. So that's pretty much I have planned it for today. And tomorrow I'm going to probably play with the cards indicator, I mean the action indicators. So I will work on that. There is one tricky one like for the exchange, so I will need to figure out how to do that. So yep, and that's it. So let me go here, and thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something today. I did actually, and I'm going to stream tomorrow as well, and we're going to we're going to do the interactions indicators of the actions, and that's it. Yep, take care guys, bye bye.